Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to whip up a delicious and nutritious potato salad that's sure to please your taste buds. So, let's get started. Potato salad is a classic dish that's perfect for any occasion, and it's surprisingly easy to make. All you need are a few simple ingredients, including potatoes, eggs, mayo, black pepper, seasoning, onion, and bell pepper. First, let's boil the potatoes. Peel them and cut them into small cubes, then boil them in salted water for about 10 minutes. Once they're cooked, drain the water and set the potatoes aside. Next, let's hard-boil the eggs. Place them in a pot and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a boil, then turn off the heat and let the eggs sit for 15 minutes. After that, rinse the eggs under cold water and peel them. Now, let's prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, mix together the black pepper, seasoning, onion, mayo, and bell pepper. Once everything is well mixed, add the dressing to the potatoes and eggs and give it a good stir. And there you have it, a scrumptious potato salad that's perfect for any occasion. Serve it up with some freshly baked bread or as a side dish for your favorite protein. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!